New OpenClaw free update is insane. Today I'm going to show you the brand new OpenClaw update that just dropped. This thing is free, it's huge. It fixes stuff that was broken for months. And honestly, it might make OpenClaw the safest AI agent tool out there. Let's get into it. So OpenClaw just dropped version 22.6.2.26. And look, I know version numbers are boring, but this one is different. This is not some tiny little patch. This is a full security and reliability overhaul, and it changes everything about how you run AI agents. Let me break it down for you real quick. There are 6 big things in this update: external secrets management, thread-bound agents, WebSocket transport for codecs, Android app improvements, a new agent routing command line tool, and over 11 security fixes. 11, that's not a small number. Now, before I go deep on each one, let me explain why this matters. If you've been using OpenClaw to automate stuff, you know it's powerful. You can run tasks, you can build workflows, you can connect it to almost anything. But here's the problem: it had issues. Cron jobs would fail silently, credentials were floating around in places they shouldn't be, and if you were running multiple agents at the same time, things got messy real fast. This update fixes all of that. So let's go through it. Number 1, external secrets management. This is massive. Before this update, your API keys and credentials were just kind of sitting there. Not great. Now you've got a proper secret system built right in. You use simple commands like OpenClaw, secrets configure OpenClaw, secrets apply OpenClaw, secrets reload. It's clean, it's secure. And it means your tokens aren't just hanging out where they shouldn't be. If you're running any kind of automation that touches other tools or platforms, this alone is worth the update. You don't want your keys exposed, period. Number 2, ACP thread-bound agents. Okay, this one is a bit technical, but stay with me. If you use OpenClaw with something like Discord or Telegram, agents can get confused between different conversations. Like you're talking in one thread and the agent starts mixing up context from another thread. Super annoying. Thread-bound agents fix that. Each agent now sticks to its own thread. It knows where it is. It knows what conversation it's in, and it doesn't leak context between sessions. This makes multi-session workflows way more reliable. Number 3, WebSocket first codecs transport. So if you're using the OpenAI codecs backend with OpenClaw, it now defaults to WebSocket instead of the old method. What does that mean for you? Faster connections, more reliable communication, less stuff breaking randomly. And if WebSocket doesn't work for some reason, it falls back to SSE automatically. So you're covered either way. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, back to it. Number 4, Android app improvements. Now, this one is interesting because it shows where OpenClaw is heading. They've added better device status info, device info commands, and notifications listing. What does that tell us? They're building toward a full native AI assistant experience on your phone. We're not there yet, but this is a big step in that direction. Imagine having your own AI agent running tasks right from your Android device. That's where this is going. Number 5, agent routing CLI. This is a new set of command line tools. You can now bind and unbind agents to specific accounts and channels. So if you've got multiple agents doing different things across different platforms, you can map them out cleanly. You can see what's connected where. You can manage the whole thing from the command line. Simple, fast, no confusion. Number 6, security hardening. And this one is probably the most important. They pushed over 11 security fixes in this single update. File include validation, exec approval, tightening, SRF guardrails. If you don't know what those mean, don't worry, the short version is this. There were ways bad actors could potentially mess with your OpenClaw setup, things like log poisoning, where someone injects bad content into your logs to trick the system, or attacks through WebSocket connections to your local machine. These fixes close those doors. And here's some important context. Microsoft security researchers recently came out and said OpenClaw should be run in isolated environments, like virtual machines, not on your regular work computer. That's a big deal. And it tells you that even Microsoft is taking this tool seriously enough to study it and warn people about it. This update directly addresses a lot of those concerns. But here's the thing. No update replaces good security practices. If you're running AI agents, you should still be careful. Use isolated environments, keep things locked down. Don't just trust that any single update makes you bulletproof. Now let me talk about the real world benefits, because features are cool, but what actually changes for you? First, cron jobs actually work now. If you've been scheduling tasks and they just silently fail, that should be fixed. Second, less wasted tokens. When agents mess up and retry over and over, you burn through resources for nothing. The stability fixes here reduce that. Third, if you're on a team, this is way safer to use now. The secrets management alone makes it viable for team environments. Fourth, multi-agent workflows are cleaner. If you're running several agents at once, they play nicer together now. Now, if you want to learn how to actually use tools like OpenClaw to automate your workflows and scale your business, you should check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use AI agents like OpenClaw to automate tasks, get more customers, and build systems that run without you. I'll drop the link in the description and comments. All right, so how do you actually get this update? Super simple. If you already have OpenClaw installed, just run OpenClaw update. That's it. One command. If you're starting fresh, head to the GitHub page and follow the install instructions. I'll link everything below. One thing though, if you're running OpenClaw in production right now, read the migration notes first. Don't just slam the update button and hope for the best. Some of the changes, especially around secrets management and agent routing, might need you to reconfigure a few things. Take 5 minutes, read the notes, then update. You'll thank yourself later. Let me also talk about what this update doesn't do, because I think that's just as important. This is not a flashy features update. There's no new AI model integration. There's no wild new capability that makes you go, wow. And that's actually a good thing, because what OpenClaw needed was exactly this: stability, security, reliability. The foundation had cracks, and they went in and fixed them. That's what mature software looks like. And it tells me the OpenClaw team is thinking long-term. They're not just chasing hype. They're building something that actually works in the real world. Now, here's what I think is coming next. The Android improvements tell me they're going mobile in a big way. The thread-bound agents tell me they're thinking about multi-platform support more seriously. And the secrets management tells me they want enterprise teams to adopt this. So if you're watching this and thinking about whether to start using OpenClaw, now is actually a great time. The tool is more stable than it's ever been. The security is tighter and the roadmap looks solid. So here's my take. If you're already using OpenClaw, update now, read the migration notes, update and test your workflows. If you're not using it yet, go check it out. It's free, it's open source. And with this update, it's genuinely ready for real work. Now, if you want to take this further and learn how to use AI tools like OpenClaw to automate your entire business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. You'll get step-by-step processes for setting up AI automation, plus a community of people who are actually doing this every single day. Link is in the description and comments below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which feature from this update you're most excited about. Julian reads every single comment. I'll see you in the next one.